But man, oh man. Man, oh man. What we looking like? Okay, car wash. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. And in today's video, we are going to go ahead and we're getting the Infiniti ready. So I've been feeling some shaking going on as I've been driving the Infiniti. Well, when I brake, I've been feeling some shaking. So we got brand new brake pads, we got brand new rotors. Now, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the rotors, but like the shake is undeniable, you know. So when I brake, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the whole thing, or everything. I already changed this side already, as you can see. Not that hard. I got that tutorial video coming for y'all very soon, but I already put the pads and the rotors on the this side. So now I am putting I'm about to do this side. Now I am swapping the tires. I already swapped that tire and put it up here, and this tire and put it back here. So I'm gonna do the same for this, just rotate the tires. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man, I like this thing, bro. We might end up trying to keep it, bro. I'm not sure, dog. I don't know. Now, y'all know I do got the trunk on. I do got the bumper on. I do gotta get this stuff off. We got some stuff on. We gotta clean all this up. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be cleaning this mug up. I got my tail light coming today. It's out for delivery. I don't know. Hopefully I can get it today so I can go ahead and put it on. Easy peasy. Y'all know it's just two bolts. Literally this one and this one. And they already loose. So we're gonna put our tail light on and we're gonna get this thing washed up. So I wanted to go ahead and get the tail light first before I wash it up. And then I got that POV driving footage coming for y'all soon. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna set y'all up and I'm gonna just go ahead and zoom through this. Again, I got that tutorial video coming on how to change the brake pads on this car. Now this is the S, so it do have dual pistons and everything. So it's not like the base model or the X. I don't even think it's the X. So because y'all can see how big these pistons are. These things are humongous, right? And we got the big 20-inch wheels. Y'all know all of them don't come with 20s, man. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like this car. I'm thinking about keeping it, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. We will see, but I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up on a tripod and we're gonna go ahead and get this done. All right, y'all still see the Mitsubishi, man. But check him out. We got some brand new brake pads on the thing, brand new rotor. So now we're about to just go on a quick ride and just make sure that everything is riding smoothly. But man, this car is one bad car, bro. I never even thought about the M, but this boy is bad. Let's ride. All right, y'all, so gonna pick up speed a little bit. I like that this thing got eco mode, standard mode, and sport mode, of course. Let me close this. All right, we ain't broke, we ain't hit the brakes yet. We're about to hit the brakes. We riding though, boy. Probably gonna go ahead and make that POV video right now for y'all. Hold on, we about to hit the brakes. Man, that is crazy. Boy, my steering wheel was like, I just show you what brakes do. And them rotors look good, didn't they, guys? Them rotors look good. But it just goes to show you what brakes do, man. So that is crazy. All right, I'm gonna wait till we get some more speed and I'm gonna do it again. All right, here we go. Man, I was just behind a dude so slow. I was just like, you know what? Let me stop and get me a smoothie, bro. I mean, dude was just ridiculous out of Florida. Come on, bro. Take your ass back to Florida, man. Alright, we doing what? 60. I'm gonna go a little faster. Well, whenever I just gotta stop, shoot. Right now we rolling. This car ride good, man. Alright, here we go. Perfect, bro. Like, literally, y'all, this was like, it was bad. So I just show you what brakes do, boy. This mug ride like a brand new car. And like I showed y'all the rotors. I was like, man, I don't even need to change the rotors, but I just went ahead and changed everything, bro. Now we riding like a dream. I'll see you guys at the car wash. All right, so let's let y'all look at it really quick. So this is what it's looking like. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get it washed. We're at the car wash right now. But I just want to show y'all what it's looking like before we hit it with that wash. I know I parked in the shade, but what y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. And let me know in the comments below if y'all think I should keep this thing, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know, but we about to get this thing washed up. I might touch up the headlights too. That's what I need to do. We got 10 on there already. And we lit, man. Let's go ahead and get this car washed out. All right, guys, we are in this thing, man. So hopefully it get us clean. We're gonna see what it's looking like as soon as we step out. You feel me? But man, I ain't gonna lie, your boy kind of like this car, man. Why is it like that, man? I know, like, when you in this business, you're not supposed to be, you know, trying to keep nothing, but you gotta keep something, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? So we'll see. Y'all see what we got, man. We got 124,000 miles. We ain't got no lights on. It was just an easy fix, bro. I got the same color, everything. It was just an easy fix. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Help your boy out. Should I just sell this thing, or should I keep it for a while? Now, I will say this. You know, I get rid of everything. I'm not going to keep it forever. You feel me? Like, I done had the freaking, package has been delivered. So we got to go back home, and we got to go get the tail light. So we're going to put our tail light on, bro. Damn, I'm washing the car with the thing. It is. Yeah, it ain't the first time it's getting wet. But yeah, so the tail light is here. And I can't wait, man. But y'all let me know in the comments below, yo. All right, y'all. Can that come off? That might not come off. Might put some touch-up paint on that or something like that. We'll see. But man, oh man. Man, oh man. What we looking like? Okay, car wash. All right, the car wash got us looking pretty good. Okay. Now, there's no metallic or anything in this paint. You missed a spot. Oh, there's a little metallic in there. Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all see it. So, what y'all think, man? We looking good or what? I like this car, bro. It's the wheels, because without, like, the S, it's got the, like, the big wheels and stuff. The one that don't got the wheels is, like, I don't like it. And y'all see this one came with the spoiler. My trunk didn't have that. You know what I mean? If y'all don't remember, but all right, man, we riding. So let's go get this tail light from mom's crib. All right, new tail light installed. All right, so appreciate y'all for tuning in. Next, y'all gonna get that POV for this video. Appreciate y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all head on over to whdacademy.com if y'all interested in learning how to do what I do, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.